Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we discuss what is mean by mean of x. Otherwise, it is called what is mean by expected value of x. Okay, so we discuss expected value of x for discrete random variable. So let us see the definition. The mean or expected value of the discrete random variable capital X is denoted as mu or E of x, which means expected value of x is defined by mu equal to expected value of capital X, that is equal to summation over x into p of x. Okay. Similarly, we define what is mean by variance of x. The variance of x is denoted as sigma square or v of x is defined by sigma square equal to v of x, that is equal to expected value of x square minus expected value of x whole square. Here we know what is the expected value of x, that is mean value. Similarly, we are going to find e of x square. We don't know what is how to find expected value of x square. So where expected value of x square equal to summation over x square into p of x. Okay, so this is called mean and variance of discrete random variable. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.